This past week we launched youtube.com/teachers. YouTube for Teachers is a site we created to help teachers use YouTube as an effective educational tool. There are thousands of educational videos on YouTube. There are videos about science and math and history and really everything under the sun. And we created this site as a guide so teachers could really use YouTube as this powerful tool to make their lessons more effective and educational. This project was created by teachers for teachers. So we actually didn't write the majority of the material ourselves. And in fact, we worked with teachers that already are kind of masters incorporating YouTube in the classroom. And we asked them to create resources for other teachers. We have not done a great job to date of really organizing the educational content. And so this program is, in our opinion, a kind of first step towards that goal of creating a really valuable and comprehensive educational resource. Right now there are tons of videos uploaded to YouTube, but they are not necessarily organized along common standards. And this kind of work with teachers is our first step towards organizing that content so that it's really useful in classrooms. YouTube.com/teachers is broken down generally into two separate areas. There is creating content and incorporating content. The creating content area is focused around training teachers to build their own YouTube channel so their classroom has one hub for all of their online videos. So if a teacher wants to record his or her lessons as videos, they can upload those to their channel. This part of the website focuses on both the kind of how-to of creating that channel and then provides tips and tricks on the best ways to create video. So teachers can create videos either using screencasting, where they simply record their screen and speak over it, or they can record live action videos. And we have lessons from experts in both of those fields. So as I said, there are two sections. The first is creating, the second is incorporating. The incorporating section is really about highlighting the examples of how YouTube can be used in the classroom. So one example we talk about is how you can make theory come to life. So if you are a science teacher and there is a science experiment that you can't run in your classroom, it's too dangerous, it's too expensive, you don't have a big enough classroom for it, we have highlighted some videos that potentially can demonstrate what that science experiment does look like in real life. So that's kind of an example we give of a broad concept of ways teachers can use YouTube. And then we also have specific videos of, here is an example of a science experiment that could be done, that was done by Steve Spangler Science, and it was uploaded to YouTube, but you might not be able to replicate it in your own classroom. Show your students the science experiment using YouTube. If you go through our current YouTube EDU partners are almost exclusively university partners. So we have Harvard, MIT, Cambridge, 400 of the top universities in the world. If you look more broadly and you do a search for Pythagorean theorem or for chemical reactions, you find amazing videos that are uploaded from classrooms. It's very clear that an individual teacher is uploading these videos. So as I said, we do see a wealth of content uploaded both by professional organizations like Steve Spangler Science, by universities, and by in-classroom teachers. And this project is kind of our first step in organizing that and putting it together in a slightly more formal way. The teachers participating in youtube.com/teachers and broadly uploading educational content to YouTube do run the gamut from kindergarten all the way through university. That said, I think we are really seeing a focus in the middle school and high school years where there's more teacher involvement amongst those groups. I think that the audiences for those teachers, their students, are using YouTube at home every single day. So it's natural for them to use this tool that their students are already using and already connecting with to engage them and educate them in the classroom.